Hey guys, Faisal with Ames Performance. Got another one coming at you. 2026 Hennessey Venom 800. Luda covered the lowered one last time. Today we got the lifted one. Let's check it out. Starting off at the front of the truck, top to bottom, already sits up, obviously. BDS lift kit. Carbon fiber front end. Love this new grille with the mesh through it. You get the Hennessey, and then down to the lower bumper, your Venom right there. Solid bull bar, adaptive cruise. You get your lights and some extra pod lights on the side. Dedicated switch for the light bar in the middle. Don't use that in traffic. Other people don't like it, but it is sweet. Around the side, fender flares, paint matched perfectly. You get your light up H800 badge in carbon fiber surround. You'll notice the Recon Grapplers wrapped around the 20-inch wheel on the 2026 Hennesseys. Different style, I like it. Red accents look great. Again, Recon Grapplers, 35-inch, 12.5, around 20. Venom supercharged 800 badges with drop-down running boards. Tuck away to completely flush for a really nice look. You do get Hennessey badges on the swing arms for those as well. Same wheel and tire setup in the back. Killer badge. Love the Hennessey script. Real classic. Round back, we got Venom 800 badge next to your Hennessey. Another metal bumper surrounding huge exhaust tips so you can hear all 800 horses. Pretty sweet package. You get your lighting up front. You get your aggression out back. You get all of the sensors. Same hitch setup. Not too many compromises you got to make with this thing. We got Hennessey badge leather seats with suede inserts, super comfortable and ventilated. Still get your heat, all that jazz. Carbon fiber steering wheel behind me, super nice. Great grip on there, not too slick. And you get the Hennessey badged WeatherTech floor mats. Since this is based on a Lariat 502A, you do get the dual zone climate and heated and cooled seats on both fronts. Wait. And you get heated rears. In this Hennessey Venom 800 that makes 800 horse, you got a 3-liter Whipple supercharger making all that boost for you. And this one got spec'd out in red, which matches the rest of your accents. Inside the wheel, you got your red H. Inside that, drilled and slotted Brembos. Whole lot of go, whole lot of stop too. The drilled aspect obviously keeps it a whole lot cooler for when you're really working the brakes. Total package. Great Whipple noise from the front. Toned exhaust out the back, not too intrusive. We're speaking at a normal level. I can have a regular conversation. Radio's off. Definitely nothing that you have to like try and avoid, anything like that. There's a lot of fun to be had in a truck like this. Grocery getter, pull your small stuff, drop hitch. Here we go, on ramp. Oh boy. It's sweet every time. Right up to the speed limit. And you are just crushing the on-ramp. Well, everybody, that was the 2026 Hennessey Venom 800. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know in the comments down below. Lifted, lowered, how do you like your 800 horse?